Quiet on set. It's live, not Memorex. And I'm Walter Concrete, and this is how the world turned. It went this way. Okay, in this episode we're going to build a metal rack out of scrap bed frame, the angle iron off of bed frames. And this piece, I'm not sure where I got it. I'm not sure if you call it flat stock, angle stock, or whatever, but we're going to make it work for the base. First thing I have to do is cut these pieces down to the usable pieces and the junk pieces. So it's time to get started. So with a little bit of preparation here and a little preparation there, we might have an H over there. Okay, I'm just going to put things together here. Stop there and be funny. This isn't happy hour. Okay, don't forget to think safety first. Some hearing aids and a face shield. Not hearing aids, I'm sorry. Don't forget to think safety first. A face shield and earplugs, not hearing aids. Earplugs. Alright. Alright, 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. Safety, safety. Let's go. There. You know what else? I'm going to do it right now. Now I'm going to look like a girl. I got this skirt on, see? No, I like this thing, to be honest with you. Okay. Let's do something. Let's modify something. Here we go, we'll modify it. I decided that I better use some dust masks as well. Got the grinder put together, organized, in place, ready to go. And C-clamp will clamp this down to the table. That beats trying to hold it by hand and grind with the other hand. A little more safe that way. And what I'm going to do is grind this edge right here and this edge right here, as well as grind up one of these edges as well, and then weld it on like so on both ends, one on each end. Put the I Can't Breathe on, put the I Can't See on, and turn on the grinder. I'm not going to bank on a C-clamp holding this straight up and down. I'm going to run another piece like this, so I'll need 2 more C-clamps along with this third one. Here we go. So I figured I'd throw in a little bit of welding here. I wouldn't bore you with welding the whole darn thing because that'd take too much video, too much time, lose focus on everything. Well, I'll show you how a professional hobbyist welder does it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 6, go. Can you feel the sparks of flame? That's pretty. That came out nice. It's gonna get on camera very well or not, but I decided I'm gonna bring the welder outside here and do some welding out here, because this is where I plan on doing a lot of my future welding. And I've been told that all welders like long extension cords like this one, and that's why I'm out here. We're going to test it out. We're going to see what it's about and how well it goes and all that. Hang tight. I think she's happy. All right, there's the metal rack. It's done, other than painting. Not gonna paint it tonight, but I will paint it probably tomorrow. We'll call it a win.